Hi everyone, my name is Louise, and I've been using the Salamaster cookware since 2012. And at the time, my daughter and my son were tested with high aluminum, and myself, I had high liver enzymes, and the doctor had told me that in order to live, that I would have to have a liver transplant. So I said, well, I didn't want to have a liver transplant, and I didn't want to take medication because I'm trying to do all natural things. So that's when I met Mary Ann, and I started using the Salamaster cookware. And within 2 months, my daughter and my son didn't have aluminum in their blood anymore. And for myself, the doctor said my liver enzymes were normal, so I wouldn't have to have the liver transplant. So, and then also with using the cookware, after a month, our savings, our electricity was about $100 a month. So it's a big savings.
How much was the surgery and the medications going to cost? Do you have any idea?
The liver transplant would probably be more than, hundreds of thousands of dollars. And people say the cookware is really expensive and everything, but just imagine if you had to have this surgery, it would be hundreds of thousands of dollars, but the cookware is much cheaper and it lasts a lifetime.
That's so good. That's awesome. Thank you for sharing. I'm so glad to have this so people can, that gives them hope and encouragement.
Yeah.
So thank you.